Yeah, g'day, it's Jeff here.
Yeah, Scott here too. We've just come back from this Europe trip. Been to a few factories over there, and we started off first at Pekin in Holland. To the factory, very impressive factory, really good gear. We learned a fair bit, especially on setup of the different machines, how they're built, how they're constructed, and yeah, came away with a lot of information, a lot of knowledge that we can take forward and present to the customers.
Yeah, and after that we flew to Poland and we spent 3 days at Samars. So another very impressive factory, that one that's newly built. We were trained by their top lead mechanic there. He'd been with the company for 20 years, started from the ground up, building the actual machines himself, cutting, welding them, putting them together. Now he is the head trainer for the all around the world, so very privileged to have learned from him, and that training was some of the best I've ever received in my time as a mechanic. We certainly got what we wanted to know out of that, working with the machines that we have here in New Zealand, and we went through them with a fine-tooth comb, so it was excellent.
We shot down through into northern Italy and went to the Fisher factory. They do the orchard mowers. We had a pretty intense training for 3 days there, in the field as well, for setup, different applications, different speeds, different products that they've got. Really worthwhile going there. Their factory is very impressive. And then we headed further south after that.
Into Frigo near Bologna, and yeah, another very good factory there. What we had set up there, we learnt a lot about the mulches, power harrows. We even got to assemble a power harrow bed on the production line ourselves, putting it all together from the ground up. So that was another very good training run there. Certainly in summary, what we got out of it there, these companies there, they've invested a lot in the infrastructure of their buildings, and they've invested a lot in the people there as well. Everyone was just so accommodating to us, really good sense of morale, and it's certainly in line with what we have here at FarmShop as well. It's a brand new building, and yeah, the right people, so that was certainly very inspiring and invigorating there to be over there and experience it. Come back here.
Yeah.